Even though we now have several AI tools that make the research process easier, using these tools effectively still requires a strong understanding of research. AI can help you find information, summarize articles, and organize ideas, but it cannot replace critical thinking. If you do not know how to evaluate sources, identify research gaps, or ask the right questions, AI tools can simply help you collect large amounts of information without producing meaningful insights. Deep research is not about gathering more information. It is about finding the most relevant, credible, and useful information to answer a specific problem. Topic understanding, defining the research frame. The first step is not searching for information, but clearly defining what the topic actually means. Deep research starts by breaking the topic into structured research components so you know exactly what to focus on. Break the topic using the 4W research frame, who includes population, who is affected, involved, or being studied. What includes behavior and phenomenon, what exactly is happening or being examined. When includes time period, is it recent, historical, or over a specific duration? Where, location and context, is it global, national, or within a specific setting? Background exploration, building clear basic understanding, before going deeper into analysis. The goal is to understand the topic at a basic level so you are not guessing meanings later. This step is about building clarity, not collecting detailed arguments. Start by identifying what the topic generally means in simple terms, what main ideas are usually connected to it, what key terms or concepts are repeatedly mentioned in explanations, what real-world context it belongs to. At this stage, avoid complex arguments or research papers. You are only building a foundation so later steps become easier to understand. Best tools for this step: Wikipedia for quick overview and linked concepts at the bottom, Britannica for an reliable background explanation. The outcome of this step is simple. You should be able to explain the topic in your own words at a basic level. Keyword expansion, making search more powerful and specific. This step is about turning one topic into multiple search directions so you can find deeper and more relevant information. Most weak research happens because people use only one or two search phrases. Instead, break your topic into smaller searchable parts by focusing on different wording of the same idea, related academic terms, population or group involved. Behavior or issue being studied, cause, effect, or outcome-based terms. Example, topic, sleep patterns in high school learners. Instead of searching only, sleep patterns high school learners, you expand it into group-based keywords, adolescent sleep, teenagers sleep behavior, youth sleep habits. What, concept-based keywords, sleep deprivation effects, sleep quality and performance, irregular sleep cycle. When, time-based keywords, recent sleep. Studies 2020 to 2025, modern sleep trends teenagers. Where, context-based keywords, school student sleep studies Japan and South Korea, urban versus rural sleep patterns. Combined advanced searches, sleep deprivation and academic performance adolescents, screen time effect on teenage sleep quality, causes of poor sleep in teenagers. The purpose of this step is simple: increase search depth so you don't miss important research angles. Source comparison, finding differences in information. After collecting information, you need to compare how different sources explain the same idea. This helps you avoid relying on a single viewpoint. You can watch above linked video to see how to complete this step with the help of AI tool. Here focus on whether definitions match or differ, how different studies explain causes or effects, whether results are consistent across sources, which sources provide stronger evidence or data. Instead of reading sources separately, read them side by side and ask, do they agree on the main idea? Where do they differ and why? Which explanation is more detailed or supported? Useful tools: Google Scholar, multiple papers on same topic; PubMed, scientific and medical studies; JSTOR, academic research articles; ResearchGate, research discussions and papers; critical evaluation, checking if information is reliable. At this stage, you decide whether the information is actually trustworthy or not. Check who wrote it, expert, institution, unknown source. What evidence supports the claim, data, studies, or opinion, whether the information is recent or outdated, whether the argument is logical or biased. Also verify, is it peer-reviewed research? Can the claim be found in multiple sources? Is the conclusion supported by data or just opinion? This step ensures your research is based on reliable evidence, not random information. pattern identification, finding repeated ideas across sources. At this stage, you start moving beyond individual sources and begin connecting information across all collected research. You can find prompts for ChatGPT on how to complete this step in the video I mentioned previously. Look for key research patterns, such as repeated findings across studies, ideas or results that appear in many sources, common causes or effects, factors that consistently lead to similar outcomes, trend patterns over time, changes in results across different time periods, relationship patterns between variables, how one factor influences another across studies, consistency of results across contexts, whether findings stay similar in different settings. These patterns help you understand what is stable, widely supported, and meaningful in the research area. Insight building, forming meaning from research. At this stage, the goal is to move beyond collecting information and start building a clear understanding of what the research is actually showing. Focus on combining multiple research elements, such as finding synthesis, bringing results from different studies together, cause and effect linking, connecting what leads to what, thematic grouping, organizing repeated ideas into main themes, variable interpretation, understanding how different factors influence each other, concept integration, connecting related ideas into one explanation. You can see linked videos explaining how to complete this step using ChatGPT. Final structuring, organizing research into a clear flow. The final step is to organize all findings into a structured and logical format so the research can be clearly communicated. Focus on arranging content using academic structure elements, introduction framing, defining the topic and scope, thematic organization, grouping similar research ideas together, evidence ordering, placing strong findings before supporting details, comparative structure, showing agreement or differences between sources, analytical progression, moving from basic findings to deeper interpretation, conclusion synthesis, combining all insights into final understanding.